Installing a PCIe adapter. For shared I/O or sockets direct configurations, connect the cable. Push the connectors into the slots. Close the cable covers and then slightly press them until they click into place. Insert the two latches into the slots next to the connectors. Close the cable clip covers and then slightly press them to secure the connectors. Align the riser card with the riser slot on the system board assembly. Press the riser card straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Fasten the screw to secure the adapter. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.